Hey everyone, justinyingst here, your Charlotte area realtor. Today we are touring Ridgecrest, which is a Toll Brothers new construction community. There's only 12 lots left, and here you can see they are massive lots, 3,500 square feet and up in each unit usually, over 4.5 bedrooms in most units, and then a lot of customizable options. You can add a bedroom on the main floor, you cannot have one there, make it a bonus room. So a lot of options. The main benefit of this community is you're 3 minutes away from Valentine. So we're technically in Indian land, South Carolina. So we enjoy South Carolina taxes while enjoying the location of the Valentine area. Let's go ahead and check it out.
Now these homes start around $600,000 and they are running a promotion. If you use their preferred lender, they will give you money towards closing costs or a buy down. Now everything is semi-customizable in the design center with these homes, so you can really build it how you would like it. If you want a bedroom or a full bathroom on the first floor or vice versa, you can really decide what you want there. As you're going to see in this home, it has custom paneling on the wall, shiplap, wallpaper, recessed lighting, a covered patio in the backyard with a fireplace, as well as an extra long quartz island in the kitchen with storage. Cabinets even go up to the ceiling, and they have gas burners in the gourmet kitchen. If you're looking to make a move to the Charlotte area, give me a call, 704-565-9413, or check out my website to start your search. Enjoy the rest of the tour.